So here we have the 3-pack LED light stands, studio lights for video creation or whatever from the brand Obeamiu. And we have it unboxed, and let's see how we can assemble this and see if it's easy to use. So this is the manual, the stands, the lights, the films, and some adapter pieces. Now I'm just going to do one stand setup because it's the same thing for the other two. So this stand uses a push and pull mechanism to extend. Nice. And you can adjust it with this little latch right here. Now there is this manual that shows you how to connect this and how to assemble this. It's in multiple languages. But I'm just going to do it by feel and look and not really use this manual. See if I can do it pretty quickly. So we are removing one of the LED lights. And here we have the lights, the LEDs. There's no film on this right now. I can imagine the colors will change, obviously, once you put it on. And this is the switch, the cord that comes with it, up and down. I believe this is the brightness adjuster and the on and off switch. And this gets plugged in by a USB plug. So, of course, you can plug this into a USB hub or get a USB to wall outlet adapter. It does not come included in this variant of this product. There are other variants that does include the full thing. I decided not to get the USB plugs, the USB hubs or ports because I have some of my own. So these tripod stands do have these little nubs that come off. And that your light has the threaded screw hole that you can put on this nub. And that's how you would assemble it. So we have it fully on, and as you can see in the back of this LED light, it tells you what it's rated for. So 1,000 lumens, 5-volt USB power or DC power, and 70 LEDs per light. So these pieces that come with the set are gimbals that you can rotate and adjust the light. I won't be adding that on right now, but as you see, there is some rotation. If you need angles for your light, then you can make that work with this gimbal thing. So this will go on top of that. The light will go on top of the gimbal. So if you unlatch these knobs, you can adjust the height of the light. So this is pretty much full extension. It's about 40 inches of extension, not that high, but maybe enough for your situation. And you're going to adjust this right here too, and this will lock it in. So these remotes that come included with this pack use watch batteries or CR2025s. And as you see, there is a film on here that removes the battery or that connects the battery. So let's do that right now. And let's just check the battery if it's inside. And there is a battery included with this remote. Now let's plug this light in and see how it works. So for the purpose of this video, I'm using a battery bank to power up this light. It does use USB, so let's just try that and see if it works because my plug is very far from this wall. Okay, it's on. The battery bank is on, and let's see this switch turns on the light. It definitely worked. It's very bright. And see if I can turn up the brightness. And I can turn down the brightness. You can see this is very bright, but it works. These LED lights come with these films where you can change the coloring. And I believe with these films, you just slide it on. There is a slot, as you can see on these lights right here. It's some sort of protective film. And I believe it just goes in like this. So this is kind of like a frosted clear. Let's turn this on and see what it looks like. And we'll turn down the brightness. Pretty cool. Let's try another color. So here we have this green film. I'm going to peel this off and take it out and switch it with this clear frosted color and see if we can get a green light. We'll stick this film in and we will turn it on. And voila, we have a green light. This is very bright, very strong. And now we're dimming it down. You can see the green. So this is how the whole process works. The setup is very straightforward. Everything's kind of like plug and play. You can swap out the films. You have a remote. You plug this into a USB hub. Now, if you get the one with the actual USB adapter to wall outlet, then that'll be easier. In my case, I don't want extra hubs, and it works. So yeah, if you're using this for a YouTube setup or some sort of video setup for Amazon or any sort of video creation, this might be the thing for you. It comes in a pack of 3, and you can pretty much cover all your bases when it comes to lighting angles. With this, If you want different colors and cool colors, that option is there too.